Hello guys, let's have a quick technical analysis on Walmart. Walmart will publish their earning report before market opening. Right now, at the moment, it's not yet published. So let's check the chart how to trade its earning report intraday. Currently, this is the day chart. Currently, in the day chart, there is a trading platform here, and this wave starting from 152.6. So this is the starting point. You can see that if you use Elliott wave theory, there is already three waves, 1, 2, 3, and after that it could be have another 1, 2, 3 back. So when you use Elliott wave theory for trading, it doesn't mean it has always like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ABC. It could have different combinations like what 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or ABC, ABC. So it can combine to all kinds of combinations. So it's not always 1, 2, 3 and ABC. So here I'm assuming that it will have another 1, 2, 3 waves. So there will be, or ABC, you could call it also. So if it goes down, and be careful if it's enter back to this trading range 152.63. That's not. I mean, it's weak if it's go back to the trading platform. So if it's above the trading platform, that's strong support for the long term for the bulls. So if we calculate the space or the possibility if it go down to the trading platform is about 4%. So if it go up to the peak, 2.2%. So if it go up to the top, you could short it. If you go down back to the trading platform, you could long it. That's a very simple strategy.